Hello students, in this video I will go through exercise U4A06A where I will be applying properties of trapezoids to solve problems, and the questions are pulled straight out of the Glencoe textbook from page 440 to 446. Let's take a look. Okay, so it says here for the instructions, find each measure. So angle D, I need to find a measure of angle D. So this is an isosceles trapezoid, and if it's an isosceles trapezoid and there are two bases in any trapezoid, the base angles are going to be the same. So here this angle will be 101. The base angles over here are not going to be 101, but they will be something else. They will be 79, even though they didn't ask for it. You know, here it is anyway. So angle D is 101. WT, if 2x is equal to 20, ZX is equal to 20, and TY is equal to 15. So TY is equal to 15, and ZX is equal to 20. ZX is equal to 20. I'm asked to find out what WT is. Because again, I'm dealing with an isosceles trapezoid, I know that the diagonals are going to be congruent. So if TY is 15, that means WT therefore must equal to 5. Okay, question 5. In the figure on the right, YZ is the midsegment of trapezoid TWRV. Determine the value of X. When it says the figure to the right, they really mean this thing here. Okay, because I moved the figures around to space things out. So YZ is the midsegment. So if that's the case, then the following has to be true. The midsegment, which is 8 here, is going to be the average of the two bases, which is 14.8 plus I believe that's X, right? And I apologize for the grainy, blurry looking image here. When I first made this, I used a poor camera and it had poor image quality. So, okay, so we're going to solve for X. We're going to multiply both sides by 2, and that's 16 is equal to 14.8 plus X. Subtract both sides by 14.8. We end up with X is equal to 1.2. Okay. For trapezoid QRTU, V and S are midpoints of the legs. So if QR is equal to 12, and so you know what? I'm going to have to redraw this diagram over and over and over again for this problem set here, so I might as well just draw it out. Q, R, T, U, and this is VS. So I want to make it a little more representative for the mid segments. So QR is equal to 12, UT is equal to 22, and I need to find out what VS is. So VS is equal to the average of 12 and 22. So that will be 34 over 2, which is 17. Okay. So again, same diagram. So QR is 4. UT is 16. We need to again find out what VS is. So same exact problem, pretty much. So I want to call that, so VS is equal to the average of 4 and 16, which is equal to 10. Here I'm told that VS is 9, UT is 12, and I need to find out what QR is. So I'm calling QR X. So X plus 12 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Multiply both sides by 2. X plus 12 is equal to 18. Subtract both sides by 12. X will equal to 6. Or QR is equal to 6. Okay. So, very similar problem. UT is equal to 26, VS is equal to 17. We need to find out what QR is. So, 17 is equal to x plus 26 over 2. Multiply both sides by 2. 34 is equal to x plus 26 minus 26. What do I end up with there? I end up with 8. So, QR is equal to 8. VS is 7, QR is 2. I need to find out what UT is, which I'm going to call it x. So 7 is equal to 2 plus x over 2. Multiply by 2, I get 14 is equal to 2 plus x, or x is equal to 12. So UT is equal to 12. RQ is equal to 5. VS is equal to 11, and UT is unknown. So x plus 5 over 2 is equal to 11. Multiply both sides by 2, and subtract by 5, x will equal to 17. So UT is equal to 17. Okay, AC is equal to 3x minus 7, and BD is equal to 2x plus 8. So those are diagonal, so I know, and it didn't specify whether or not this is an isosceles trapezoid. Oh, it does. ABCD is isosceles. So therefore I can say 3x minus 7 is equal to 2x plus 8. I need to find the values of x, so subtract 2x, I get x. Add 7, I get 15. ABC is equal to 4x plus 11. So ABC is 4x plus 11. DAB is 2x plus 33. Those are base angles. So 4x plus 11 will equal to 2x plus 33. Subtract 2x, I get 2x. Subtract 11, I get 22. Divide by 2, I get x is equal to 11. This is a trapezoid, and this is not a isosceles trapezoid. So QR is equal to 16. So QR is 16. PM is 12. TS is 4x. Find x. So 4x plus 16 divided by 2 is equal to 17. Multiply both sides by 2. 4x plus 16 is equal to 34. Subtract 16. 4x is equal to 18. Divide by 4. X is equal to 9 halves. Okay, TS is equal to 2x. PM is 20. And QR is 6x. So this will be 6x plus 2x divided by 2 is equal to 20. 6, so I'll end up with 8x divided by 2 is equal to 20. 4x is equal to 20. X is equal to 5. Okay. PM is the middle segment, so that's 2x. QR is the upper segment, top base. TS is equal to 10. So I say 2x is equal to 3x plus 10. Divide by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. I get 4x is equal to 3x plus 10. Subtract both sides by 3x. X is equal to 10. Okay. QR is 5x plus 3. PM is 13. And TS is 2x plus 2. So 13 is equal to 5x plus 3. 2x plus 2. All over 2. Add things together, I get 7x plus 5 over 2 is equal to 13. Multiply both sides by 2. 26 is equal to 7x plus 5. Subtract 5, 21 is equal to 7x. Divide by 7, x is equal to 3.